The following message is transmitted at the request of the Monkeyville government in conjunction with civil authorities. This is not a test. A nuclear detonation has occurred in the Monkeyville Naval Base. There are no survivors. All residents within a 300-mile radius of the naval base are advised to seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions, and prolonged exposure will result in certain death. I repeat. If you are in a 300-mile radius of the naval base, seek a fallout shelter immediately. The area most impacted by the nuclear fallout is Monkeyville itself, as this was not a general hydrogen bomb. Seek a fallout shelter now. If no such shelter exists, shelter yourself and your family in the most interior room on the lowest floor of a strong building. Take food, water, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with you for your stay in the shelter. An all-clear siren will sound once it is safe to leave your shelter. This has been the emergency alert system. We will continue to serve the local Monkeyville area.